Now, remove the cooling fan by opening the 3 bolts using a 10 mm socket. Ensure that you hold the fan while you're opening the bolts. Remove the starter idle gear shaft and then remove the starter. Install the special tool Magneto puller with a bush and ensure its proper seating on the crankshaft. Then tighten the Magneto puller bolt to remove the Magneto rotor with the wood rough key. Remember, turn the oil pump sprocket to align the oil pump sprocket hole with the oil pump mounting screw to remove the oil pump screw. But remember, the oil pump assembly is a non-disassembly type.